Welcome back friends. Today I'm going to tell you about how to turn your browser dark, means how to enable dark theme option on your browser. Unlike other videos on YouTube, I will tell you the most easiest and simplest way to do so. So let's get started. If you use this app in front of your friends, you will totally be insurmountable. So first of all, you open your Play Store and then search Kiwi browser. Okay, search Kiwi browser on the top and open this app. You will get an interface like this. Then click on the three dotted option at the top right and then scroll down a little. You will find an option called the turn on night mode. Click on that, so your whole browser will turn black. I hope you will like this video. With this I want to give you a very small update. So what is that update is that I have created a new website, which is www.allinrf.blogspot.com, which it's the link I have given in the description and also in the comment section. So you will reach directly on that website. This website have a lot of things like my channel. So here you will find games and their download links and how to extract all the processes to play this game. So you can see GK questions are also there and all the games of PC as well as of Android. Okay, so I have uploaded a lot of things. Hope you will enjoy this also and my channel also. So see ya, have a nice day.